In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily add a product to your Gumroad account. Start by heading to gumroad.com and clicking the login button at the top right. For a smooth experience, log in using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Products to view your current items and add new ones. Next, hit the New Product button. Give your product a catchy and descriptive name, select the type, digital or physical, and set your currency and price. Make sure the price reflects your product's value and your audience's expectations. Click Customize to add a compelling description, a custom URL, and high-quality images or videos to showcase your product. Fill in all the product info sections, then click Save and Continue to make sure everything is recorded. Finally, if you have any additional content or files to include, add them now. When everything looks perfect, hit Publish and Continue, and your product is live and ready for customers to purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy selling on Gumroad.